Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to update Spotify app on your iPhone. Alright, so take an example. If you have Spotify application on your iPhone, you can choose to update it from the App Store, this one here, or you can choose to update it from a browser. For my case, I opt to update my Spotify from a browser by downloading the latest version. So quickly, I'll open up my Chrome browser, and then once I open up my Chrome browser, I'll open up a new tab. Then when I open up a new tab, I'll type in the following: download Spotify iOS. Okay, when I type in that, I'll then come over here and then download the Spotify application. So I'll click on this website, which is www.spotify.com, where is a free download. So over here, I'll just choose iOS. And then once I choose iOS, I'll be redirected to this page whereby I'll come over here and then download the Spotify application, which is the latest version. So as you can see, the ratings is at 4.8. That means people really like this Spotify application. Alright, so simply that's it, guys. If you found value in this video, kindly like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet